Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today we have something new and special going on. I'm over here with my buddy Spencer and we are working on a car that's from his dad, which has been sitting under here. We already moved it for 13 years and hasn't been run, so let's go in there and check it out. So here we go. What is it, 1986? 1986 Mustang Fox body hatchback in all green. It was black at some point. Yeah, hasn't been ran for 14 years, 13 years.
Yeah.
And yeah, today we're gonna try, change the oil, check out the gas tank and see if we can get it running while it is raining outside. Great. So yeah, we will see what else is gonna happen. So first we're gonna take the hood off.
Pretty good.
Yeah. What is it, 10?
Yep.
I told you. No, because it's cold.
Oh, it's gonna get all over the soy bar here.
It's fine. It's already rusty.
Take a look. Well, that's a good sign.
It's dripping?
Yep.
Is it dripping into pan? Yeah. If there comes a black stick out, you gotta catch it.
Huh?
There might come a black stick out, you have to catch it.
What is it?
It's a joke.
Ooh, it's not clumpy.
Let me open the... Oh yeah, but that shouldn't be too bad.
I mean, it's not gonna drain all of it.
It doesn't have
Barely got
to.
any of it out. I have to jack it back to the car.
Yeah, we might have to.
Horsepower! That sucker's long.
In my mouth, boy!
Why do you keep slipping off?
I have no idea. Why am I? Because I'm not all the way in there. Why do you not have an impact wrench?
Because it's air operated. How heavy really is, say 20 gallons?
It's 16, no, 15.9.
Oh, hell yeah, this thing's gonna be easy to fill up one day. She's gonna go through it every other day.
God damn.
Make sure you get it started decently. And then don't pull on the ratchet. You won't just have to work it back and forth like that the whole time, so you definitely can get that off. You have to put the ratchet back in there. We're already halfway done.
Well, I wouldn't. So now, let's get out of here. Maybe should have put the jack a little bit further to the left. Okay. Whoa!
Super strong! Ah!
Okay, it's not even leaning on the jack.
Yes, it is. You don't want to pull the fuel lines out.
There is no fuel lines.
What do you mean there's no fuel line?
Wait, I don't see any.
Well, how
Okay,
does it
now your side comes down.
get- Okay.
You gotta go away though.
What, the jack?
I got
The jack has to go away or I have to
you.
go
No,
away?
you have to go away.
Why do I have to go away?
Because it comes down on your side.
All the way?
Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Here, now go slowly down.
We'll give away the jack. It's propane, it can go boom. So what's keeping it up to this right now? Because you already got the fuel. You already got the fuel hose out, right?
The filler hose is not out. That's what I'm trying to work on. We have to go this way with the tank because we have to pull the filler hose out. So if you pull on it a little bit, I don't see where the fuel line is. That's how it was on my car.
Is this it?
No, that's the one. It's probably. Don't go up.
Is it moving at all when I do that?
Yep.
Is it? Sliding out?
It looks like it. Keep going. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
There we go.
There we go.
I don't want to put too much pressure on those hoses.
Yeah, let it down. It should work. Let it down.
I don't want to.
Let it down. Let it down. Let it down. Keep going.
That.
That's fine. It's a pop up. We can pop it down.
Woo! That gas.
That's some old ass gas, man. Holy crap.
That's why I wanted to do this. You see now, Philip? We're not worried about that.
So this is your fuel pump in here.
Alright, let's get it
know
out.
what this is. Might be another fuel pump?
I wonder how happy this is making my dad. I hope this is.
I mean, he seems really excited. Yo. Okay, number one. It's dripping.
That's fine. Ow, get on my hat! Jesus!
Ow! Ow! Look at my hand. You put this back in here, okay.
What is oh, that hole is where that came out. Okay. Are these proprietary?
Proprietary?
Does one need to go with
One way and the other, yeah. I think so, but...
Like, can that one fit on the other one?
I think this one's smaller. I just have to figure out how to get it out.
Oh! Right in the gas tank.
Huh? No.
That's an open hole, isn't it?
And?
Goes right in the gas tank.
Gonna have to wash it out anyway. So, this does spin. But I have... Do you have a hammer?
I don't see why not.
Okay. How much is a gas tank?
If I was a hammer,
Where would I be?
I would be right here.
Nice.
Right where? It is spinning.
Did it?
I think so.
No, it didn't seem like it. There we go. Okay, now we can take the gas tank out.
Is that it?
That's it. What it is to it. That broke the light.
No, I turned it off.
Oh, okay. Good, gas
Nice.
tank. Gas tank is out. I can stop the video. Yep. So, how many hours has it been? 3, 4 hours back later? No, actually it's only been 2 hours. It's only 8. 7, 6. Yeah, about 2 hours later. Had a small dinner, supper, whatever, and got the fuel tank out. Now I probably will not be able to show you what it looks in there. Actually, yeah. Yeah. This is how the fuel tank looks on the inside. We got the fuel pump out, which looks like this. Did it just fly in your mouth? And then we got this awesome swimmer, which we're just gonna try to clean up because we couldn't find one anywhere in our town. We did find a whole assembly for the fuel filter though, fuel pump. Oh, he got a whole machine for that shit.
Yeah. You didn't know that's what this was? It's probably gonna feel.
So dirty.
It's probably gonna feel good. Cut some of here.
What is that? Brake fluid?
No, it's just cleaning solution. Whatever they normally parts cleaner.
Cool. So yeah, he's gonna try to clean up the floaty thingy, the sending unit, to show us how much gas is in the tank. And then we're gonna just hook all the stuff back up back here and see if she starts, because that should be the last thing that we got left. I hope we can get the gas tank cleaned out a little bit. Well guys, it's 2 minutes later. No, it's been a couple minutes, and I just dumped out the gas tank, and that's what I got out of it. There's still more in there, but yeah, I don't know how to get it out. And Spencer's still working on his... Damn, that just flew in my face. He's still working on the swimmer.
Swim? Oh no.
Yeah, don't break the...
Well, as long as there's not a groove.
It's this here.
Yeah, I was about to say, as long as there's not a groove that it has to sit in.
So he's getting that thing somewhat cleaned up. It got a lot darker outside in like 2 minutes, and it stopped raining again. Now it's still raining.
Take the camera out there, you might see some lightning.
Yeah, there's no lightning, but we have thunder, but there's no lightning. Huh? Oh wow, did you? I didn't see some. I mean, there has to be lightning if there's thunder, right? Oh god. So yeah, I guess we're gonna update you guys when we put that shit back together, I guess. At least the gas tank and the swimmer, and yeah. Okay. Let's get ready. Let's hope this works.
I need to hit gas or anything?
No, you shouldn't have. Just hit the clutch. Did you take the key out again? Why did you take the key? Yeah, it's not something. It's either not getting gas or it's not getting fuel.
Wait. Did you say it's not getting gas or it's not getting fuel?
It's not getting spark or it's not getting fuel.
Oh.
That shit is gonna be loud as fuck. It's gonna be loud. Ah.
It's been like 14 years.
Holy crap. Okay.
That's not been all the way on the clutch.
Yep. That doesn't do anything.
That wasn't me letting off that one. Oh, baby. After 14 years, I expected you to start on the first try.
Let's see what Daddy says. Is it? Yup, sure is. Well, we didn't get it to work. Mainly because our batteries died, so we're gonna have to come back one day and try it again. It sounded like we have spark on one cylinder, or one cylinder fired in general, but the other ones don't. So I guess the next time we're gonna see if all the distributor plugs have spark, which we cannot try anymore because 2 of our batteries died and our starter is not strong enough for this. So I guess we will see what happens next time. Great. battery. Hold on. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this video and stay tuned for the next one, where we hopefully get it started. I hope so. Because we actually got a lot done. We changed fuel filter, clean out the fuel tank, and we do have fuel, by the way, so if anybody asks, we got fuel, and this thing works too. What is it called? Coil. Yeah, the coil works too. So it can just be spark either down here, or we just don't get fuel in all of the cylinders. But I guess we will figure out that next time. Until then, bye!